Hi everyone. Exercise is crucial for people with arthritis. It increases strength and flexibility, reduces joint pain and helps combat fatigue. But you don't need to run a marathon or swim as fast as Olympic competitor to help reduce arthritis symptoms. Even moderate exercises can ease your pain and help you maintain a healthy weight. Exercise can help you improve your health and fitness without hurting your joints. Strengthen the muscles around your joints, help you maintain bone strength, give you more energy to get through the day, make it easier to get a good night's sleep, help you control your weight, enhance your quality of life, improve your balance. Range of motion exercises relieve stiffness and increase your ability to move your joints through their full range of motion. These exercises might include movements such as raising your arms over your head or rolling your shoulders forward and backward. In most cases, these exercises can be done daily. Strengthening exercises help you build strong muscles that help support and protect your joints. Weight training is an example of a strengthening exercises that can help you maintain or increase your muscle strength. Remember to avoid exercising the same muscle groups 2 days in a row. When starting a strength training program, a 3 days a week program can help you jumpstart your improvement. But 2 days a week is all you need to maintain your gains. Aerobic or endurance exercises help with your overall fitness. They can improve your cardiovascular health, help you control your weight, and give you more stamina and energy. Moderate intensity aerobic exercise is the safest and most effective if it's done most days of the week. But even a couple of days a week is better than no exercise. To determine if you are in moderate intensity exercise zone, you should be able to carry on a conversation while exercising, though your breathing rate will be increased. Now we'll know about other activities. Any movement, no matter how small, can help. Daily activities such as moving the lawn, racking leaves, and walking the dog count. Body awareness exercises such as gentle forms of yoga can help you improve balance, prevent falls, improve posture and coordination, and promote relaxation. Be sure to tell your instructor about your condition and avoid positions or movements that can cause pain. Here are the tips to protect your joints. Start slowly to ease your joints into exercise if you haven't been active for a while. If you push yourself too hard, you can overcome your muscles and worsen your joint pain. Low impact exercises like stationary or recumbent bicycles, elliptical trainers or exercises in the water help keep joint stress low while you move. Heat can relax your joints and muscles and relieve any pain you have before you begin. Heat treatments, warm towels, hot packs or a shower should be warm, not painfully hot and should be applied for about 20 minutes. Move your joints gently at first to warm up. You might begin with range of motion exercises for 5 to 10 minutes before you move on to strengthening or aerobic exercises. Exercise with slow and easy movements. If you feel pain, take a break. Sharp pain and pain that is stronger than your usual joint pain might indicate something is wrong. Slow down if you notice swelling or redness in your joints. Apply ice to your joints for up to 20 minutes as needed after activity, especially after activity that causes joint swelling. Be sure to tell your instructor about your condition and avoid positions or movements that can cause pain.